Alright, hello guys, welcome back to another video here. This is just a quick video to kind of show you guys a recap of my top two trades from last week. As we're going through pound USD, an example of a pound USD analysis that I've done. That obviously I entered the trade. Now, funny enough, I posted this on my Instagram and on my Instagram. Yeah, I posted it before and after. And the Swiss yen, which is mainly was more for my own personal entry analysis. So yeah. But before we start the video, guys, I've got a little surprise here. Yes, guys, this is a quick promo for people that are looking to get free shares from Trading 212. They're currently having a promotion, guys. You know what I'm saying? Free shares are waiting for you. And obviously I invite you to trade. All you have to do, guys, is sign up to Trading 212 Invest account, verify your identity, fund account, which is a £1 is fine, or $1, whatever your local currency is, and you can get up to free. You can get up to £100 of free shares on whatever. It could be Tesla, it could be Netflix, Amazon, HSBC, JP Morgan, whatever your favorite companies. You never know. You can get free shares worth up to £100 or $100 as long as you use my link in the description or in the pinned comments below, guys. So yeah, sign up, guys. You've got 27 days. Free cash. Who doesn't want free cash? And obviously, if you don't want to obviously invest this for long, you can sell this share and receive it in cash in the next 30 days. So yeah, guys, it's literally just free money late in there, so why not take advantage of it? So all you have to do, guys, is click the link in the description below. Sign up, verify identity, fund your account with £1 or $1 or €1, and you should be able to. Your account will be updated within 5 to 10 working days of £100 or $100 or €100, whichever currency you are in. You can apply and get you some free shares. So yeah, guys, guys, comment section and get you some free shares. All right, peace. So yeah, this is the first example, as you can see here. Now, first of all, how I knew this was going to be a sell trade is, firstly, I identified an area of interest on a higher time, which is the 1 hour candle. And what I saw was that this candle here was limited by this candle, because price came to touch the order block of area of interest before pushing downwards. So therefore, if you go on a lower time frame, it can make much sense. So then, yeah, first we can identify a clean touch of our area of interest. Price came there, touched it, went down. Now this is what made things very interesting on the lower time frame. So because we already know that our order block has been we have 1 hour order block mitigation, we then identified that because this was a nice move upwards to clear any orders above these areas of the swing high, creating a new high. This is what happens. Price then pushes downwards past this swing low here, causing a change of character. And whenever a change of character happens, it means that there's a control has been switched. And in this case, control has been switched from buyers to sellers. So therefore, if control has been relinquished from the buyers to the sellers, what that means is that that from now on, sellers have taken possible control of the market. So therefore, I'll be looking for sales entry wise, because we don't want to be buying since on a lower time frame price has started to already shift by breaking past this last swing point that created a new high, as you can see here, which went to touch our 1 hour order block before coming down and going past, closing below this swing point. So yeah, so once I identified this change of character, the next thing to do is, sorry about that. The next thing to do is find an area of interest or a point of interest where we know that price would retrace to this point before continuing downwards. And so yeah, so then this is the last order block, the last buy to sell candle, where price would coming to our take profit first level and then breaking past our last swing low and then touching our take profit 2. So this is how I identified pound USD as a viable, sell entry, which was posted on my Instagram. So which is down in the description below, guys. So yeah, please check it out. Obviously follow me and subscribe, do all that nice stuff. Yeah, so this was a trade that I actually posted on my Instagram, the before and after analysis, to kind of show people how to kind of identify trades on the smaller time frame based off higher time frame price action. So yeah, now yeah, this is our second example, which is the Swiss yen, which is another another trade that I took last week. Now, first of all, by looking at this market, we can see that we have a what we call a current structure of price breaking highs and retesting. So by that default, I already know that we're in a bullish market. So therefore, since we're in a bullish market, I'll be looking for what? Biased trade. And going on lower time frame, first identify this order block here hasn't been obviously due to this imbalance that we have here. So therefore, I believe that because price was going to come here, I knew that price was going to go down here and come to retest and the order block below these liquidity that we have, as there's a lot of equal highs we can identify here. Whenever there's equal highs in the market, this generally means that this tends to mean that there's a lot of stop losses below this level. So what happens is this is what happens. Price hit the what we call it, price comes and touch the order block, which has a lot of imbalances below it, and let's see how price reacts. For obviously price is trading downwards towards our point of area of interest. We see a first, this is very, very interesting, guys. Whenever we have a first hit of our order block, that normally doesn't mean that price has confirmed, or we currently in we are currently going to be in profits because price has touched it and moved upwards, so therefore I should move my stop loss to break even or whatever. We always want to wait to see a break of structure. So then let's just wait, because again, bear in mind, you have liquidity above this level here. So if we have liquidity, meaning that price needs to sweep the stop losses below these liquidity levels. So yeah, as we can see, and the sweep first sweep and then the second sweep. So then we have a nice break of structure first here, and obviously price is starting to build up liquidity, and boom, price trading upwards. And yeah, so this is how, guys, you analyze the market. You always look for areas of interest on higher time frame. You go to your lower time frame, and obviously eventually price hit our take profit. I think there was some fundamental news that came out, I believe, last week that affected the affected gold. That gold had obviously traded to the downside, causing obviously the Swiss price to, I guess, increase in value wise. So yeah, this is just another ways to kind of look at the market and find good entries on a higher time frame, and then find suitable analysis on a higher time frame, then use the lower time frames then to refine and find a refine entry in order to enter, so that you don't so you have a higher risk to high reward trade, rather than just 1 to 2. Whereas if you go on a 15 minutes or the 5-minute time frame, you can get a 1 to 4. So yeah, it's very, very important for us guys to understand the difference with knowing the using higher time frame to kind of find analysis for market structure, and then smaller to lower time frames for more of an entry and confirmation trade. So yeah, so this is another one. So here, so in this is another one here that I've obviously we can see that I know that since we have break of structures, this is the second entry that I took. So had my order block here, stop loss is just right below this wick. Again, always want to leave room for space just in case that price comes down to touch the bottom of the wick because of spreads or whatever the case may be. And obviously had a second entry, and I think when the news came out, this is when the market really moved really volatile, and obviously when to hit our take profit. So yeah, this is just a quick, two examples to kind of show you guys how the market is, and think how to identify trades. And these are my top 2 trades that I was able to come up with. And I always obviously want you guys to take this video as an example of how to identify trades. Obviously this is a quick video, but yeah, so please guys, like, share, comment, subscribe, do all that nice stuff. And yeah, it's your boy Oil Capitals, and we out. Peace.